Generalize. Morning, my G, what I deal with my general? What go on?
Wake up in the morning, I got murder on my mind. AK-47s, Mac 11s, Glocks and 9.
I want the blood. I want the you that the morning, brother. I want to you, dog.
I got murder on my mind. I got murder on my mind.
Brother. You better calm down before me tell you about your mother and brother. Youth. Calm down before me tell you about your mother and youth. That me I tell you now.
Mama, please don't you cry. I'm sorry.
Boy, Melly. Your mama's boy, brother. Man, your mama's boy, dog. No, man, I tell my friend them put that one up on Facebook. No, man. I want the backside I go.
Fuck all of that talking, we can go to war. Need a brain marinating on the boulevard. I got something that'll put you out your misery.
Yeah, hello police. FBI. Yeah, Melly is in Jamaica. You can confirm right now. Yeah, like no. You Bill. This is behind the scenes of the video, guys. Make sure y'all subscribe. You understand? I really left all my Jamaican fits back home in Jamaica. But anyways, let's get straight to it. Assume position. So the opening scene, you see me I say? Melly just wake up out of bed and thing. Melly is just gonna wake up out his bed right now. General. Yeah, my general, I'll go on my G, everything good. I want the blood, I want the bumper clot in this man here. What do you? Brother, chill before I'm telling about your mother. Brother, chill before I'm telling about your mother and brother. You try chill in the youth, that's what I tell you now. Belly your mama's boy, dog. A boy, belly your mama's boy, dog. Your mama's boy, brother. A boy, your mama's boy. I want to belly your man. Why? Yeah, hello police. Yeah, Melly there, Jamaica now. Come feel. Melly there, Jamaica right now. Come feel. And I hope it do good. I'm gonna check it over, and if it don't do good, I'm gonna do it over and I'm gonna see this in the video. You understand me? Let's check it right now. Alright, so I'm about to do a take 2 to this. I wasn't too satisfied with the one I just did right now. So assume at the position. More acting are going on that one here. My piece of that one are gonna be it. This are it. Ready? Alright. Smash the like button, people. Generalize. Morning, my G, what I deal with my general? What go on? I want the blood. I want the you that the morning, brother. I want to you, dog. Brother. You better calm down before me tell you about your mother and brother. Youth. Calm down before me tell you about your mother and youth. That me I tell you now. Boy, Melly. Your mama's boy, brother. Man, your mama's boy, dog. No, man, I tell my friend them put that one up on Facebook. No, man. I want the backside I go. Yeah, hello police. FBI. Yeah, Melly is in Jamaica. You can confirm right now. Yeah, like, no. You, Bill. Alright. So, anyways, alright, my face that one year eat people. My face that one year I go see. So I'm gonna check it right now and see what I go on. You see me, yes. Special like a subscriber. Let me know if your face that one year eat.